So, very good evening to one and all gathered here. I welcome you all for the next new course as per NEP, Industrial Psychology. So, in the past, we had various modules on product innovation and entrepreneurship, starting from the basic introduction till the latest uh, advanced topics and different the concepts related to the business entrepreneurship and so on. Now, today, we are going to start the new course titled Industrial Psychology. So, we are going to see the chapter 1, module number 1, Introduction to Industrial Psychology, whose nature and scope. So, here also we are going to have more number of modules under each chapter. Let us see further. Now we shall discuss about what are the basic nature, scope and problems of industrial psychology. First of all, what do you mean by the term called industrial psychology? See, this can be otherwise correlated as organizational psychology. Industrial psychology can be differentiated by using the other alternate term, organizational psychology. What is organizational psychology? It mainly aims to focus on understanding the different human individuals and their corresponding behavior within the work system or environment. The most difficult task in today's organization scenario is to understand the psychology of the employee, the people about the workplace. The nature involving the various interplay of individual psychology and the workplace, aiming to optimize the human productivity, employee morale, and overall well-being. The main objective of industrial psychology is to motivate the employee by becoming more productive to the organization, maintaining the employee ethics and moral, and overall well-being of the organization. Each and every employee should be highly totally productive in all aspects. So that defines the overall well-being of the employee. The scope of industrial psychology mainly uh, covers different areas like employee selection, employee training, performance management, and organizational development. So these are the main theme areas where the industrial psychology mainly focused on. Some of the major problems industry psychology mainly address that includes finding the right people for the right job. And we need to train and develop the right people by managing the moral, improving better human relationship, that is interpersonal skills, and preventing the faulty industrial accidents by understanding the industry procedures in a much better way within the workplace by ensuring safety. So what are the various nature of industrial psychology? That we will see the corresponding slides. Applied science. Here, how industrial psychology can be considered as an applied science. See, it implements basic theoretical principles related to organization psychology and some of the management theories to address the practical real world problems in the workplace. Next one, it is considered to be an interdisciplinary field or a subject. It draws various fields like attention, it draws attention from various fields like psychology, sociology, and even management based on the workplace issues. The focus on human behavior, individual behavior. The primary concern is understanding and improving the behavior of individuals and groups in organization settings. Goal oriented, it aims to improve the productivity of an employee by satisfying the workplace by providing the basic rights to the employee and making the employee more effective organizational wise. Now let us see the other aspects of industrial psychology. What are the various scope of industrial psychology? Take the HR department, personal selection and placement. So as a duty of HR, they have to develop an effective recruitment policy and selection procedures, including job analysis, assessment tools, and interview. Then training and development, designing and implementing various modern training programs to enhance the employee skills, knowledge, and abilities. Then performance management, evaluating the employee performance by providing better feedback and developing various methods for their improvement. Organization development, helping organization to adapt according to the situation by improving the various organization structure and process that further motivates the employee relation, workplace motivation and rewards, understanding and applying the principles of motivation, enhancing the employee engagement and productivity, human factors and ergonomics, designing the workplace and other equipment gadgets to optimize the efficiency by reducing the injury, leadership and management, studying different types of leadership styles, promoting various effective management practices from time to time, and making the team more highly energetic and dynamic. Organization culture, understanding and influence the moral values, beliefs, and norms within the limit of the organization. Problems addressed by the industrial psychology in day to day selection and recruitment. So we have to match the correct individuals for the right jobs and ensuring the better fit between the employees and organization. Training and development, identifying the basic needs of training and developing effective programs to enhance the employee skills. Moral and job satisfaction, understanding the basic moral maintained by the employee in the job, and we need to satisfy the needs of the employee by implementing better strategies to improve their performance. Human relations, developing positive, productive relationship between the employee, supervisor, and management, minimizing the fatigue and monotony in the workplace by improving the workplace productivity and well-being, preventing industrial accidents by addressing the workplace hazards and promoting safety to them, conflict resolution, developing various strategies to resolve the conflicts and improve better communication between all individuals within the organization. Last one, organizational change. Every individual must manage the transition and ensuring that employees adapt successfully the new organization structures and process for the future benefit. So these are the basic nature, scope, and introduction to industrial psychology. So in the next module number 2, we will see further important the management concepts in industrial psychology. So thank you all. We will meet in module number 2 in chapter 1. So once again, I thank each and every one of you.